Hi guys! So welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll teach you how to connect Temu to TikTok Shop. If you want to know how it's done in this video is for you. So this is actually applicable if you're trying to be an affiliate for Temu. So for example, just choose a product in here that you want to actually promote. So from in there, head over and click on this right here. This is the share button. Now click on the copy link. Then once you have copied that, head over and then just save few pictures of this specific model. So head over and then just try to save this specific picture. You can also try to screenshot it however you want, then edit it out as well. So for example, let's try to save this. And then once you have saved this, let's head over next to our TikTok. And on our TikTok, let's head over and click on this plus icon right here. So let's click on this plus icon, and in here you can see that we need to allow TikTok to take pictures and record video. So for this one, let's put in here and upload a picture that we have, which is this one. And then from in there, head over and click on next. You can also edit it out however you want. So for this one, let's just paste in here the link that we have copied earlier. And now we have the link, and then from there, click on post. And then this will post in here our actual product on our TikTok account. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, just comment down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks.